Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today's gonna be a very short day, but very productive. I will be trying to configure my. Let me just turn it around straight. So I'm gonna put on this intake manifold, but I will be doing some painting to this intake manifold, and that there is the one that came off of this car that I was running all these years. So as you see here, there's a little piece that I need to cut off, else it's gonna hit the turbo. It won't work. So I'm gonna try and get this configured from getting that piece cut off to finding an area where I can run my vacuum reference, my blow-off valve, and I have it marked out right there. So once I have that fitting, then I will be able to. I'm remaking a mount for my coil packs, and it's gonna go right here of some sort, and these little support brackets here are, well, I don't know what you call those, support plenum pieces, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna drill through these. Don't worry, go straight through. I'm gonna drill through these, put a nut in there, and I can keep that level so it's not rubbing on the manifold, and I have better support. So that's mostly gonna go on like, I don't know, maybe like that, probably like right there, and it's gonna probably have it elevated a little bit. Well, first things first, let me just get that cut off, get it sealed off with a bolt and some JB weld, and then I will then drill the port on that side for my blow-off valve. And let's just get ready. So we are now in a good position. I have my shrivel here for my blow-off valve, so that is set and looking sexy. I have my piece here blocked off. I'm gonna doctor it up a little bit more, and I have my breather at the bottom of here sealed and tightened. So as of right now, I am going to walk on I'm going to, oh shit, good thing, oh, it's a good side, ah shucks. Anyway, so I have a metal piece in the back of the truck that I'm gonna go and get and try to figure out the best angle to put these things on. So it's probably gonna go, oh, this goes here, so that's gonna come there. So I'm gonna go in the truck and get the piece that I need, and we will be in a good place to just cut out a piece like this, mount it, get it looking good, and then we kind of go from there. So let me go in the truck, get a rod, and then we're gonna try and make some mounts for my coil packs. All right, this is pretty freaking cold on my hands, so I'm just gonna warm this sucker up a bit. Hey guys, so first mount is almost done. As you can see, she is a pretty solid piece of aluminum. But what's happening now, what I'm gonna do is try and angle it where it's a little bit more like that. I mean, yeah, I actually don't mind. I don't mind the way she sits now. So I'm gonna come back tonight and get it where I can permanently mount it. I'm not sure if you can see, but in here there I drill it out, and I'm gonna make some mounts for that. But as of right now, this is how she looks, and she looks good. I like it a lot. There we go. Alright, so that's gonna do it for now. If I end up come back tonight, I'm gonna do the other side, and that's gonna be the mount. And yeah, so So, have a good evening. That's gonna do it for today. See you guys tonight or tomorrow. Peace out.